Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're making a sunny side up egg. First, we crack our egg into a bowl. Make sure you don't put some shells in them. In a small nonstick over medium heat, melt your butter. Then careful put your egg into the pan. Yeah. Something you should know about sunny side up: the egg yolk should be running. Some people, if they don't like a running egg yolk, they should just cover it a little bit if you don't want the raw looking yolk. We put our salt, and then we don't forget to crush our black pepper. Cook around 2 minutes or until the white is completely set, or you can just cover it with a lid so that you cannot let the heat out, and it will just cook with the vapor for just less than like around 30 seconds after the 2 minutes, and then remove from the pan, and your sunny side up is ready to eat. If you find this video educative, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share and tell a friend to tell a friend. Enjoy your sunny side up. Till we meet in the next video. Bye.